This is Ambassador Daniel Onoja, Crown Diamond of Omega Pro. In my previous video, I showed you how you can grow your money using the Omega Pro system, okay? And in this video, I want to show you how you can achieve even much more than 300% as against what was shown to you in the last video. This part of the business has to do with business building and referrals, okay? There are certain individuals who are looking for an opportunity to grow and multiply their capital. If you can recommend Omega Pro to them, then this company will reward you handsomely because they have put together a juicy compensation plan that is generous and that is enriching so many people out there. There are 4 commission plans that you can take advantage of in this business. The first one is the direct commission, where the company pays you 7% of the capital that your guest is bringing on board. So if you have a prospect who is starting this business with $10,000, for example, the company will pay you 7% of $10,000, and this can continue for as long as you continue to bring people into the business. The second commission type is the network bonus, where the company expects you to register 2 members strategically, one on the left team and one on the right team. Once you are able to do this, any new member coming afterwards will fetch you volumes, and 10% of the weaker volume translates to commission for you. We call it the network commission, okay? Now, if you have 2 friends, let's call them Jane and James. If Jane starts on your left and James is on your right, for example, and they decide to also invite other people to join this business, the volume cumulatively in a week, okay, will translate to commission, where the company will pay you 10% of the week volume, and this can go on and on. The balance volume will be carried forward to the next week, and you will continue to earn every week if every single week there is a new person joining your organization. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the third commission type is called the leadership commission, where the company pays you from a global pool of profit. So this is a company working in over 100 countries, okay, around the world, and the profits they generate in a month, they take out 3% and put it in 3 different pools. Let's call them pool 1, pool 2, and pool 3. So depending on your rank and level in this company, you will share 1% with the people in the same pool as yourself. For example, if you're a junior leader like silver and gold, you are going to share 1% with all the people at this level globally. Now, this is an amount, let's call it X amount of commission every month, okay? At the end of every month, provided you meet up with the volume condition of $40,000 for the month. And then if you move to the next level called platinum, or even if you are diamond, this is the intermediary position, you will be in pool 2, where the company will share 1% of their profit with all the people at that level, meaning you will earn more commission because you are sharing with fewer people. Let's call it 2x commission, okay? Now, if you move to the higher level called blue diamond, or any of the higher levels, black diamond, crown diamond, royal crown, or presidential crown diamond, you will be in the 3rd pool, meaning you are going to have the highest pool of profit because you are sharing the same 1%, but with even fewer people. Since the higher it goes, the fewer the number of people in those positions. There are different volume conditions for each of these categories, and you need to meet them every month for you to earn this monthly commission called the leadership pool, okay? So the last commission type is called the residual income, or 70-30. Some of my friends call it the pension fund, okay? So this is 30% of all the commissions you've been earning, whether direct commission, binary commission, or leadership pool. 30% of it is escrowed for an extra trading, where 70% is available for you to cash out directly. Now, this 30% is built up every single week as you invite people and earn commission. You keep accumulating some 30% in the 70-30 rule, okay? At the end of 12 months, this is when the money will be unlocked for you to get. 20% more will be added to it for allowing your money to be traded in the passive account. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look at this 4 commission type, you will agree with me that this is one of the most generous commission plans available in the marketplace. Omega Pro is generous, Omega Pro is stable and consistent, and this is what you stand to benefit if you decide to show your network, if you decide to show your community, if you decide to show people around you this business plan where they can build their capital on a passive level, and you are going to be earning active income in the commission circle. I'll see you again in my next video, where we intend to discuss the career plan where you can achieve ranking levels and also get incentives. You can have enough travel plans fully funded by the company. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.